Hello everyone and welcome back to English Learning Channel, where learning English is easy and friendly and calm and full of confidence. And I am Hania, and I am very happy you are here with us today.
Hello, Hania. And hello, everyone. I am Kamyar, and it is so good to be here again. And I hope you are feeling relaxed and ready to listen and learn English slowly.
Friends, today we have a very special and very calm episode for you. And today we will talk about the truth about success. And we will use very easy English so you can listen and understand without stress.
Yes, Hania, and this episode is not fast and not difficult, and there is no pressure and no fear, and you can just sit back and listen and enjoy and learn at the same time.
Before we start, I want to say one small thing, and if you like learning English with us, please like this video and please subscribe to English Learning Channel, and please share this with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, and write a comment too, because your comments make us very happy, and they help you practice English.
Now let us start, and I want to ask you one simple question, and please think about it in your mind. Do you want success in life?
Many people say, yes, I want success, and I want it fast, and I want it now.
Yes, and many people feel sad because success looks far and difficult and slow.
Today, we will talk about the real truth about success in very simple English, and this will help your life and also help your English listening.
Please remember, you do not need to understand every word, and just understand the idea and the feeling.
That is right. And learning English is also like success. It takes time and practice.
Now, let us talk about the first truth about success. The first truth is success is slow.
Yes, success is slow, and it does not come in one day or 1 week.
Many people think success is quick and easy, but this is not true.
People see the end, but they do not see the long road.
Success comes step by step and small step by small step.
Learning English is the same, and you learn one word today and one sentence tomorrow.
Please repeat after me slowly. Success is slow.
Success is slow.
Very good. And do not feel bad because slow is okay.
Slow means you are moving, and moving is good.
Now, let us talk about the second truth about success. The second truth is, success needs work every day.
Yes, not just one day, and not only on Monday, but every day.
Some days you feel good, and some days you feel tired.
But even on tired days, you do a little work.
Little work every day makes big success one day.
This is true for English too, and 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour one day.
Please listen and repeat.
Work every day.
Work every day.
Very nice. And you are doing great.
Now, the third truth about success is very important.
Yes, the third truth is success has mistakes.
Many mistakes and many failures.
People think mistakes are bad, but mistakes are teachers.
When you make a mistake, you learn something new.
If you never make mistakes, you never learn.
English learners are afraid of mistakes, but mistakes are your friends.
Please repeat this simple sentence. Mistakes help us learn.
Mistakes help us learn.
Very good. And do not be afraid.
Now, let us talk about the fourth truth about success.
The fourth truth is success needs patience.
Patience means waiting and working at the same time.
Many people stop because they are tired of waiting.
But success comes to people who wait and work.
English also needs patience, and your English will improve slowly.
Please listen carefully and repeat.
Be patient.
Be patient.
Good job. And take a deep breath.
Now, Hanya, let us talk about another truth.
Yes, the fifth truth about success is different for everyone.
That is very important because your success is not the same as my success.
Some people want money and some people want peace.
Some people want a job and some people want good health.
Do not compare your life with others.
Compare yourself with yesterday.
Please repeat this sentence slowly. My success is my own.
My success is my own.
Excellent, and feel proud of yourself.
Now, we will talk about success and fear.
Yes, the sixth truth is success has fear.
Everyone feels fear, even successful people.
Fear means you care.
Fear means you are trying something new.
Speaking English also brings fear.
But fear goes away with practice.
Please repeat. Fear is normal.
Fear is normal.
Very good, and you are not alone.
Now, let us slow down and do a small listening practice.
I will say a sentence and you just listen. Success takes time and effort.
Now listen again.
Success takes time and effort.
If you want, you can repeat softly.
Success takes time and effort.
Well done. And that is listening practice.
Now, the seventh truth about success is very simple. The seventh truth is success needs discipline.
Discipline means doing work even when you do not want to.
Discipline means small habits every day.
Like reading one page or listening to one podcast.
English improves with discipline.
Please repeat after Hanya.
Small habits matter.
Small habits matter.
Great job and keep going.
Now, let us talk about success and people.
Yes, the eighth truth is success needs support.
No one becomes successful alone.
Teachers, friends, family all help us.
Even listening to this podcast is support.
Please say this sentence. I accept help.
I accept help.
Very nice. And learning together is better.
Now, Hanya, let us talk about a very honest truth.
Yes, the ninth truth is success is not perfect.
There is no perfect life and no perfect person.
Successful people also feel sad sometimes.
They also feel tired and confused.
Do not wait to be perfect to start.
Please repeat.
Start now.
Start now.
Excellent. And now is the best time.
Now, the last truth about success for today.
The 10th truth is success is a journey.
It is not one day and it is not one moment.
Success is every small step you take.
Learning English today is success.
Listening to this podcast is success.
Please repeat this sentence slowly.
I am on my journey.
I am on my journey.
Very good. And smile.
Now, Hanya, let us do a short review for our listeners.
Yes, let us repeat the main ideas in easy English. Success is slow.
Success needs work every day.
Success has mistakes.
Success needs patience.
Success is different for everyone.
Success has fear.
Success needs discipline.
Success needs support.
Success is not perfect.
Success is a journey.
Take a moment and listen again in your mind.
You do not need to rush.
Now I want to talk to you from my heart. If you feel weak in English, please do not give up.
Every strong speaker was once a beginner.
You are learning, and learning takes time.
Be kind to yourself.
Practice a little every day.
Listen more and speak slowly.
You are doing better than you think.
Yes, and we are proud of you.
Before we say goodbye, please write one sentence in the comments. Write this sentence: I am learning English every day.
Writing helps your brain remember.
Thank you so much for listening patiently.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you liked this episode, please like and subscribe to English Learning Channel.
And tell us what topic you want next.
We will see you in the next episode.
Keep learning.
Keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye and take care.